Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. Today is Friday, December 11th. I'm listening to Christmas music and drinking coffee, and I'm going to get some stuff done today. I will be going over everybody's math stuff in Kickstand today. I'm working on report cards. So if you have not finished up your writing, make sure you get that finished up and share it with me today. I would greatly appreciate it. Today for reading, you need to do your lesson 5 in Wonders, and make sure you're reading for about 30 minutes. It's going to be kind of a good day to curl up with a good book. And then for math, make sure you are working in your MT course for about 30 minutes. You can complete a lesson and a workbook page. You can work in Fluency and Flex. As of today, I'm going to work on putting you, some of you in a new Fluency course. So be on the lookout for that. And then for writing, finish up your graphic organizer. I know many of you have your graphic organizers here at school. If you can't remember that what you still need to do on your graphic organizer, then you can start a new one. Or I don't think that's on the list actually today. You have a grammar lesson to work on today, combining sentences and stuff in Kickstand. So just don't worry about your opinion writing. Just work on your grammar lesson for the day. We've been working on quite a bit of grammar this week. So, and as far as that goes, you can work in one of the specials courses, math, PE, or STEAM. And then the list of can-dos are on your 4th grade learning plan. Okay? We will not be having a Zoom today. I got to get some things situated and stuff, and hopefully next week we'll do a Zoom for those of you who are distant learning for this next week. I hope you all have a great day. If you have questions, you can always message me in Kickstand and Dojo. It takes me just a little bit to get them in Kickstand, but I'll be checking my messages throughout the day in Kickstand, okay? Have a great day. Do some learning. If you can, try making some... I'm going to make Christmas cookies this weekend with my children, so maybe see if we can do some Christmas baking this weekend. It's going to be a good weekend. Tomorrow's supposed to be cold, so I miss you all. I'll see you soon.